Welcome Marcus Mam Adventures. I'm Scott. Today we're going to be working on something a little bit different. We got the wife's Land Rover in here. It needs to be serviced. I was going to be working on it last week, but found out Rovers are weird when it comes to well, everything. First, the oil filter is on top. Second, it doesn't have a drain plug. So I think they might have drain plugs, but everything I saw, they all use vacuum pumps. It's got a vacuum tube for a vacuum pump, so I had to get one of those ordered. This doesn't even have a dipstick. This is so freaking weird. So car needs to be off for a while, I guess like 20 minutes. You don't start it to check the oil, you just turn it on, and then cycle through the stuff. Use your buttons here. Okay, yes, I know. Yes, I know. Okay, I guess I'll shut the door so it's not beeping at me, at least. Go down to your service menu. Let's turn that down so I don't get a freaking issue. Service menu, oil display. So it looks like it's in the middle right now. So that's how you check it. Now I guess we'll go ahead and get everything set up. It is warm in here. And that's how we're ready to fill it too. Turn it off. But yeah, it's got some weird crap. Needs special tools. Yep. So we need a filter wrench. It's right here, and then for the fuel filter, and then oil. And that right there, you hook a vacuum pump up to it, and it pulls the oil out. So that's what I'm going to get set up now. All right, so I think I got this figured out. This go here, of course. Only thing that sucks about having an aluminum motor is not having a place to put a magnet and then not being able to secure this anywhere easily. There we go. Oh, that'll work. So, Jesus, that is on there. Let me get an extension. Let's try some tappity tap first. There we go. Okay. Opening this up a few spins so the oil drains out of there. Then over here, so this is your oil fill. Shove the plastic tube there, and hopefully this is long enough to, yep, all right, to there. They're fitting, and let's see how this works. Whoa, check it out, it's working. It's crazy. How does that work? I have no idea. But it's empty in it. Doesn't seem to be going very fast though. All right, we'll do a time lapse on this. looks like it's almost done. We got little bits. I'll let it keep going so I get as much out of the bottom as I can. And then we'll start filling it up. Alright, once it is empty, we'll catch up. Okay, so let's start by putting as much as this, well, shoot, actually, hold on, I gotta go grab like quart of Lucas. Looks like we're down. Yeah, hold on. All right, I had the Lucas sitting in the sink warming up. That we're just taking that. All right. Stuff's like honey. Lid back on. Lucas go down a lot better if you mix it up with warm it up and then mix it in with whatever oil you're using. There we go. Put it on the tube. I go down better. Now let's see if we got anything in the we're nowhere near full yet, but let's see if we got anything on here. Nope. All right, let's keep adding it. Okay, below min. All right. Just keep watching. All right, I'm gonna put this on time lapse. Actually, I'm gonna change battery outs and put it in time lapse.